Diamond Antique Oriental Rugs specializes in cleaning and repair of your treasured Oriental rugs. Our experience and expertise enable us to care for your rugs in a way that will bring out their exquisite beauty and restore their value. We are direct importers of antique and vintage hand-knotted rugs, and we pride ourselves in traditional cleaning and restoration methods that have been passed down through generations. Our artistry and workmanship in the repair of damage due to wear and tear is unparalleled. We will restore your masterpiece for you. Our highest goal is to meet your highest expectation and satisfaction. We also have a wondrous collection, deliberately selected and imported from several locales in Turkey, Persia, and Russia, that will overwhelm your senses. Our collection contains fine pieces of kaleidoscopic color and patterns that will inspire and delight. Our showroom exhibits many intriguing pieces, including such rare finds as cradle covers, wall hangings, saddlebags, salt bags, flat, woven, and pile rugs. Our partnership formed Diamond Antique Oriental Rugs to serve you to the best of our knowledge and to the best of our ability. Our passion for these works of art drive us to share their beauty with you so that you may appreciate them as well. We believe that to be successful in a business, you must love what you do. Come by and see us, even if it's just to look around. Who knows, you might find something you didn't know you couldn't live without. Come see us today. Diamond Antique Oriental Rugs. 561-650-7333, or visit our website diamondantiqueorientalrugs.com. We're located at 3720 South Dixie Highway, Suite B, West Palm Beach, Florida.